The issue of immigration and deportation has been a hot topic in the UK for years, and the current government's stance on increased deportations is no different. While the government argues it's a necessary step to control illegal immigration and protect borders, critics raise concerns about human rights and the impact on the economy. This video will delve into the complexities surrounding this issue, exploring the arguments for and against more deportations. But before we get to this, welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. We hope you all are doing great. If you've not already, please subscribe to our channel for more on UK visas and immigration updates. Without any further delays, let's get into the video. The government's primary argument for increased deportations rests on the need for stricter border control. They point to the rise in small boat crossings across the English Channel, highlighting the dangers associated with these journeys and the strain placed on resources. Increased deportations, they argue, deter potential migrants from attempting these dangerous journeys in the first place. Another key point is the issue of illegal immigration. The government maintains that deportations are essential for removing those who entered the UK legally and have no right to remain. This, they claim, fosters a fairer system and discourages others from attempting to bypass legal channels. Critics of the government's deportation policy raise several concerns. Firstly, they argue that increased deportations can be inhumane, separating families and potentially sending individuals back to dangerous situations in their home countries. Questions arise regarding the fairness of the asylum process, particularly with the reported decrease in approval rates. Secondly, concerns are raised about the economic impact of deportations. Many migrants contribute significantly to the UK workforce, particularly in sectors like agriculture and healthcare. Deporting these individuals, critics argue, could create labour shortages and negatively impact the economy. The government's proposed policy of sending asylum seekers to Rwanda for processing has been particularly controversial. Critics argue that Rwanda's human rights record raises serious concerns about the safety and well-being of those sent there. Additionally, the legality of the policy is under scrutiny, with the Supreme Court recently ruling on the matter. Finding a solution. The issue of immigration and deportation is complex and requires a nuanced approach. While the government's desire to control borders and deter illegal immigration is understandable, it must be balanced with human rights considerations and the economic impact. There are alternative solutions that could be explored. Investing in more efficient legal routes for immigration, improving border security measures, and fostering cooperation with source countries to address the root causes of migration could be more sustainable solutions. The current debate surrounding deportations highlights the need for open dialogue and evidence-based policymaking. Fostering public understanding of the complexities involved and the potential consequences of increased deportations is crucial. Furthermore, a more data-driven approach is needed to assess the effectiveness of current policies and identify solutions that address the concerns of both the government and its critics. This could involve analysing the economic impact of deportations on specific sectors and evaluating the success of alternative immigration strategies. The issue of deportation from the UK is multifaceted, with strong arguments on both sides. While the government prioritises border control and deterring illegal immigration, concerns for human rights and economic consequences remain. Finding a solution requires a balanced approach, one that prioritises humane treatment, protects national interests, and considers the long-term economic impact. Open dialogue and evidence-based policymaking are critical in navigating this complex issue.